Tomatoes, juicy, vibrant, and versatile, are the crown jewels of countless dishes. But did you know these innocent-looking fruits, yes, they're fruits, could trip you up if you're not careful? Before you chop, bite, or blend, let's uncover the common mistakes people make with tomatoes and how to avoid them for the ultimate tomato experience. First off, eating underripe tomatoes is a rookie mistake. Sure, that greenish tinge might look rustic, but underripe tomatoes can be hard, tasteless, and slightly bitter. Let them ripen until they're deep red and fragrant, like nature intended. Next, don't store tomatoes in the fridge unless absolutely necessary. Cold temperatures mute their flavor and ruin their texture, leaving you with sad, mealy tomatoes. Instead, keep them on the counter where they can ripen gracefully. Overcooking tomatoes is another misstep. While heat can enhance their natural sweetness and boost lycopene, a powerful antioxidant, too much cooking can destroy nutrients and make them mushy. Strike a balance between raw and cooked to enjoy the best of both worlds. Ever peeled a tomato when you didn't need to? Stop! Tomato skins are packed with nutrients like fiber and antioxidants. Unless the recipe demands it, like a silky soup or sauce, skip the peeling and embrace the skin for added nutrition. Pairing tomatoes with the wrong fats is an underrated mistake. Lycopene, the superstar antioxidant, needs fat for proper absorption. Toss your tomatoes with olive oil, avocado, or a dollop of full-fat yogurt to get the most out of their health benefits. Using too much salt is another common error. While a pinch of salt can enhance flavor, drowning tomatoes in salt masks their natural sweetness. Instead, try balancing flavors with a splash of vinegar, herbs, or spices. Eating tomatoes solo all the time? Mix it up. Pair them with vitamin C-rich foods like bell peppers or citrus fruits to maximize their nutrient absorption. And let's talk about pesticides. Always wash your tomatoes thoroughly, especially if they're conventionally grown. Better yet, opt for organic when possible to minimize exposure to harmful chemicals. Lastly, neglecting to explore tomato varieties is the biggest mistake of all. Don't just stick to your standard supermarket fare. Heirlooms, cherry tomatoes, plum tomatoes, each offers unique flavors and textures that can elevate your meals. Tomatoes are nature's gift to the culinary world, but treating them right is key to unlocking their full potential. Avoid these 9 mistakes, and your tomatoes will reward you with better taste, nutrition, and versatility. Enjoyed this? Hit the like button and dive into our other videos for more tips on supercharging your meals and living your healthiest life. You never know, you might discover your next kitchen hack or wellness boost.